Top 5 best nuts you must eat if you have diabetes. Ever wonder if tiny, humble nuts could make a huge impact on your diabetes management? Even though they may look simple, each handful can deliver powerful health perks. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 nuts that everyone with diabetes ought to know about. They're not only delicious and convenient to eat, but they're also jam-packed with the kind of nutrients that help control blood sugar, look after your heart, and lower the odds of serious health complications. These nuts aren't your run-of-the-mill snacks. They're rich in fiber, healthy fats, and unique compounds with scientific backing for diabetes support. If you're ready to implement one small dietary change that can lead to big benefits, stick around. Each of these 5 superstar nuts offers its own distinct advantages that can truly make a difference. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds are a powerhouse for people with diabetes, offering a wide range of benefits that can help steady blood sugar levels and boost heart health. In one 2011 study, participants with type 2 diabetes who added almonds to their daily diets for 12 weeks showed better blood sugar control and a reduced likelihood of heart disease. Another 2017 study confirmed that extending almond consumption to 24 weeks produced even more improvements in blood sugar levels and further minimized cardiovascular risks. So, what makes almonds so special? A major factor is how effectively they improve cholesterol readings. Individuals with diabetes often see higher levels of LDL and bad cholesterol, which can clog arteries. Meanwhile, almonds help reduce LDL while raising HDL, good and cholesterol, which removes harmful lipids from the bloodstream. This dual action not only supports stable blood sugar, but also lowers heart-related dangers. Almonds offer fiber, healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, and antioxidants. Fiber slows the absorption of sugar into the blood, preventing glucose spikes. The healthy fats help protect the heart, and antioxidants shield cells from oxidative stress, a common issue in diabetes. Almonds also help curb hunger, thanks to their fiber and fat content, which is vital for weight management. Additionally, they're a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant crucial for safeguarding cells from inflammation and promoting healthy blood vessels. For an easy integration into your diet, aim for a small handful, about 23 almonds, a day. Enjoy them alone, sprinkle them over salads, or blend them into smoothies. Just remember that almonds, like other nuts, are calorie-dense, so it's wise to keep portions moderate. Number 4. Walnuts. Next up is walnuts, another nutrient-dense option that can benefit individuals living with diabetes, or even help prevent the condition from developing. A BMJ Open Diabetes Research and Care study looked at how adding walnuts to people's diets for 6 months affected their diabetes risk. Impressively, even though walnuts are high in calories, participants didn't experience significant weight gain. Instead, they showed better cholesterol profiles, specifically higher HDL levels and lower LDL levels, a huge plus for heart health. Even more compelling is their potential role in diabetes prevention. One large study following 34,021 participants found that those who regularly ate walnuts or walnut products were about 50% less likely to develop diabetes compared to those who didn't eat any nuts. That's a promising statistic for anyone eager to steer clear of type 2 diabetes. Why do walnuts work so well? They're loaded with healthy omega-3 fatty acids that combat inflammation, a big issue for many diabetics. Walnuts also supply ample fiber to help regulate blood sugar, plus antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, another common concern among individuals with diabetes. They're easy to incorporate into your routine. Toss them in salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy a handful as a snack. As with almonds, watch your portions. About 1 ounce, roughly 14 walnut halves, is enough to deliver those health benefits without overdoing it. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We share more tips on healthy living and diabetes management, so stay tuned. Also, drop a comment below with any questions or personal experiences you'd like to share. Number 3. Cashews. Cashews aren't just creamy and delicious, they also carry nutrients that can help individuals with diabetes. Studies show that cashews support heart health, reduce blood pressure, and assist in balancing cholesterol. In one 2010 study, 300 participants with type 2 diabetes were given diets rich in cashews. After 12 weeks, these individuals displayed significantly lower blood pressure and improved HDL good cholesterol levels without any detrimental impact on blood sugar or body weight. Cashews stand out for their healthy monounsaturated fats, which keep cholesterol levels in check and, in turn, maintain cardiovascular health. They also provide magnesium, a mineral tied to better insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can regulate glucose more effectively. This combination is critical for blood sugar management. On top of all that, cashews have antioxidants such as vitamin E that help reduce oxidative stress. For easy ways to include cashews, snack on them, stir them into salads, or blend them into smoothies or yogurt bowls. They're also tasty in homemade energy bars or as a baking ingredient. Just keep your serving size to about 1 ounce, around 18 cashews, to avoid overshooting your calorie goals. Number 2. Pistachios. Pistachios may be small, but they carry major benefits for people with diabetes. Though they're calorie-dense, they're filled with fiber, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that help keep blood sugar stable and improve heart health. In a 2015 study focusing on individuals with type 2 diabetes, those who included pistachios in their diet for 4 weeks showed a better balance between HDL and good cholesterol and LDL and bad cholesterol than those who didn't. Their triglyceride levels, a key marker of cardiovascular health, also dropped significantly. The power of pistachios comes from their mix of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These good fats help decrease LDL levels while raising HDL, thus cutting the risk of heart disease. For people with diabetes, heart health is a major concern, so pistachios offer a protective edge. They also supply fiber, essential for slowing sugar absorption and keeping blood sugar in check. On top of that, pistachios have antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which fight oxidative stress and may lessen inflammation, a big issue in diabetes. As always, portion control is key. Stick to a single handful to relish all the benefits without going over your calorie limits. By including pistachios in your meal plan, you can strengthen your heart, steady your blood sugar, and add great flavor to your diet. Number 1. Peanuts. Last but certainly not least, peanuts bring high-quality protein and fiber to the table, both essential for managing blood sugar and overall well-being. A 2013 study that looked at obese women at risk of developing type 2 diabetes found that including peanuts in their diet improved blood sugar management and reduced cravings. Combined, these effects help with weight management, an especially crucial factor for anyone preventing or handling diabetes. Peanuts deliver a powerful blend of fiber and protein, which slows carbohydrate digestion and absorption. This helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. Protein also supports muscle maintenance, important for metabolic health. Additionally, peanuts contain healthy unsaturated fats that bolster heart health, a prime concern for those with diabetes. One of peanuts' biggest advantages is their ability to curb hunger. Their combo of fiber, protein, and fat promotes longer-lasting fullness, helping fend off sugary snack cravings. This feature can be especially beneficial if you're watching your weight or seeking to lower your risk of belly fat. Keep your portions moderate, about 1 ounce or a small handful, to avoid excess calories. Aim for plain peanuts, no added salt or sugar, for the maximum health impact and minimal sodium intake. Adding these 5 nuts to your diet can make a big difference in managing diabetes. Their combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats provides steady energy and lessens blood sugar swings. Just remember to eat them in proper portions as they're calorie-dense. And don't forget to stick with raw or unsalted varieties to keep sodium levels in check. While nuts offer excellent support for blood sugar control and heart health, it's always best to speak with your healthcare provider before making large dietary changes, particularly if you have chronic conditions like diabetes. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which nut is your favorite snack? Also, make sure to check out the link in the description to watch a short free presentation about a natural way that can help lower your blood sugar. Thank you so much for watching our video today. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to support our channel. We appreciate every bit of encouragement as it fuels us to create more valuable content. Stay healthy and see you soon.